Hey everyone. This video, if I had to give it a title, would be When TPS Ends, It Is Going to End. And what I mean by that is at some point in time, TPS, whether it ends at the effective date following the 60 days of the Federal Registry or any dates that a court order restores TPS to, it is highly likely that the current administration will not be redesignating or extending TPS for many of the countries who have already been designated for TPS. So when it ends, it ends. So what should you be doing right now if you are a TPS holder and notice has been issued that the country designation for your country of birth has ended? You need to start preparing. Guys, I cannot stress that here in Florida, there are many individual TPS holders, and many individuals have not really come to a full realization that it is highly likely that temporary protective status will no longer be a form of status that they will hold. And temporary is just that, it is temporary. And for many, they have built a life around having TPS and living here in the United States. Many individuals have purchased homes. It's being reported in some cases more than one home. Many have bank accounts, retirement accounts, and other asset accumulation. Many are in mixed status families where they have had children who are United States citizens, but they themselves do not hold either green card or U.S. citizen status. And so, with that being said, now is the time, well, yesterday was the time, but now certainly is the time to start preparing for worst possible outcomes concerning your immigration matter. Now, certainly, it goes without saying that means you should be speaking and consulting with a licensed immigration attorney. And I'll also add that in some cases, you may have to consult with a family law attorney in the state in which you reside in, and or an estate planning attorney, again, in the state in which you reside in. This may also include, depending on the assets that a particular individual holds, such as having a business and the other assets I mentioned, you may have to speak to a financial professional as well. And so when we first published our very first video, that first video discussed a few things that individuals should be doing if they are at risk of ICE arrest and or deportation. And that still holds true, probably more so now than ever. You don't want to wait until you are arrested by ICE to start taking action. For example, create an emergency contact list and memorize one or two phone numbers. So this is just a friendly reminder and update, guys. Start preparing for the worst outcome. It may be, it's unfortunate for many people to even think that you have to start planning in this manner, but you don't want to face being in detention and not having gotten your life together in case you are in fact placed in removal and eventually deported. This information, guys, is for general purposes. Check out our video that I mentioned with regards to the list of things that individuals should start considering and preparing. And also, if your particular immigration matter or your family matter requires consulting with other licensed attorneys or professionals, depending on your particular situation, please speak and work with those individuals as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye-bye.